Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Dinaig ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters ang Magnolia Hotshots 100-100. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Andre Caraccot sa likod ng kanyang 15 points, 2 rebounds at 3 assists. Para naman sa Magnolia Hotshots, top performer si Ricardo Ratliff sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 13 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Nagtala naman si Dion Thompson ng 18 points, 15 rebounds, 1 assist, 3 steals at 3 blocks. Leonard Santillan 17 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Ket Dato 6 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist. Sean Ildefonso 1.1 rebound, 2 assists. Andre Caraccot 15 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists. Nag-ambag naman si Chongson ng 11 points, 1 rebound. Adrian Nocom 10 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists at 3 steals. Bo Belga 7 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist. Jonard Clareto 6 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal. Felix Lemete 5 points, 1 rebound, 4 assists. Michael Malonzo 4 points, 2 rebounds. Anton Asistio 2 points, 1 rebound, 3 assists. Para naman sa natalong Magnolia Hotshots, Calvin Abueva 8 points, 1 rebound. Paul Lee 4 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists. Jerick Ahanmisi 4 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. Rom De La Rosa 2 points, 3 rebounds. Ricardo Ratliff 27 points, 13 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Ian Sangalang ng 21 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Mark Baroka 18 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal. Xavier Lucero 11 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 block. Aris Dionisio 4 points, 11 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Jerome Lastimosa 1 point, 2 rebounds, 3 assists. James Lapot 0 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinambakan naman ng Barangay Ginebra ang Tira Firma Jeep 114-98. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Justin Brownlee sa likod ng kanyang 49 points, 12 rebounds, 6 assists at 2 steals. Para naman sa Tira Firma Jeep, top performer si Stanley Pringle sa likod ng kanyang 11 points, 9 assists at 3 steals. Nagtala naman si Ahanmisi ng 4 points, Scottie Thompson 8 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists. Troy Rosario 17 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. Aljon Mariano 5 points. Justin Brownlee 49 points, 12 rebounds, 6 assists at 2 steals. Nag-ambag naman si Abarientos ng 18 points, 6 rebounds, 6 assists. Adamos 7 points. Pisomal 6 points. Para naman sa natalong Tira Firma Jeep, Kevin Ferrer 9 points. Brandon Edwards 27 points, 12 rebounds. Stanley Pringle 11 points, 9 assists, 3 steals. Mark Sangalang 2 points. Tommy Olivario 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Vic Manuel ng 19 points. Hernandez 10 points. Paraiso 8 points. Ramos 5 points. Milicio 5 points. Katapusan 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of December 18, 2024. Eastern Hong Kong 5 wins, 1 loss. Northport Batangper 5 wins, 1 loss. Meralco Bolts 3 wins, 1 loss. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 3 wins, 1 loss. Barangay Ginebra 3 wins, 1 loss. San Miguel Bermen 3 wins, 2 losses. Converse Fiber Xers 3 wins, 2 losses. NLEX Road Warriors 3 wins, 3 losses. TNT Trupang Giga 1 win, 2 losses. Magnolia Hotshots 1 win, 4 losses. Blackwater Bossing 1 win, 4 losses. Phoenix Fieldmasters 1 win, 4 losses. Tira Firma Jeep 0 win, 6 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong December 19, 2024 na gaganapin sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Sa first game, maghaharap ang Phoenix Fieldmasters at Converse Fiber Xers alas 5 ng hapon. At sa main game, maglalaban ng Blackwater Bossing at TNT Trupang Giga alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.